We try our hardest. Okay, I don't know really what we're doing here. We need scissors and Jesus. It's spooky season, it's Halloween, it's the reason for the season. It really hasn't felt like spooky season this year. I don't know if it's because stores started displaying Christmas decorations on October 1st or not, but I really just haven't been in the spirit. I don't really have a reason to put on a costume. I don't have any Halloween parties lined up. I don't even have any friends. But last year I made my own Patrick Star costume and I made a fall theme recipe for Halloween, a little Halloween special, if you will. And so I figured because I love dressing up, this year we would keep the tradition alive. I'm gonna be making a Halloween costume and making a fall theme recipe. That's what we're gonna be doing. And you're gonna love it. Maybe you'll hate it, I don't know. But I'm currently outside of Walmart because we need to get some supplies. We're gonna be making like a pumpkin pad thai type thing. I'm really excited about it actually. Like the inner fatty in me is just like very excited about pumpkin pad thai. My Halloween costume, however, the character I'm being is very dated, like certainly not relevant anymore, nowhere near relevant, and honestly kind of like a fringe side character to begin with. I don't know why I decided to be this. I actually do know why I decided to be this because I've been in the market for some like cat eye glasses. For whatever reason, I'm just like, I need that to complete who I am as a person. But anyway, my search for cat eye glasses kind of unlocked this memory of this character in my brain, and I was like, that's what I want to be for Halloween. So consider that your first clue, because the character I'm going to be rocks a pair. And huge thank you to today's sponsor, which is Warby Parker, for helping my cat eye glass dreams come to fruition as well. Warby Parker is committed to providing exceptional vision care online and in stores, offering eyeglasses, sunglasses, eye exams, and contact lenses. So don't you dare let those FSA or HSA dollars go to waste. Put them to good use and upgrade your eyewear. Glasses start at $95, including prescription lenses. And if you're curious what pair is right for you, Warby Parker has a quick quiz to point you in the right direction. And a free try-on program that I am all about because fashion show. You get to choose 5 frames to be sent to your house at absolutely zero cost. You have 5 days to test them out, and all you have to do is slap the prepaid shipping return label on them and put them in your mailbox when you're done. Here are how some of my picks look on me. I'm absolutely obsessed with green at the moment, and these sunglasses are giving me Meryl Streep in Devil Wears Prada vibes, and I am here for it.
Need to contact Leslie. See what she can do to minimize the press. Another divorce splashed across page 6.
These ones are so cute with the gold frame and the black tip wing. They don't hide my face at all and they look really classy, but these, I think that these are the ones. They are tortoiseshell pattern and have these little flecks of indigo, and for some reason, I'm really vibing with these ones. I currently have all of these sitting in my cart at the moment, and I'm very curious to hear your guys' opinion on which ones you guys think look best, so let me know. Also, if you're interested in trying 5 pairs of glasses entirely free for yourself and having a fashion show, you can head on over to warbyparker.com/Beatrice and get your own try-on kit. Thank you again, Warby Parker, for sponsoring my shenanigans and keeping me stylish. Okay, I'm back from Walmart. Also had to go to Lowe's to find one of the things. I'll go ahead really quickly and run through all of the supplies that we're going to be using, and also you might get a couple more clues. We got some scrap cardboard. I went to Lowe's and I got these 2 pipe insulation things. I was gonna get pool noodles from Walmart, but this time of year they do not sell them. But luckily I remembered that these exist. We of course got a hot glue gun, this burgundy colored cardigan, a clipboard, spirit gum, these fun Mardi Gras beads, gray yarn, bunch of acrylic paints. These are the colors that we're going to be using. These thick boy needles. I also got this crochet thread because we might need something thicker and more durable than just regular thread. Of course, got paintbrushes and sponges. I got this crafting foam, and then we got this muslin. It's like 5 yards of muslin. So I don't know. This is all what we got. Let's get to crafting. I'm just gonna go on record and say that I do not know what I'm doing. I don't know how to sew. I know like the mechanics of it, but is my craftsmanship good? No. But here's the thing about homemade costumes. Whether they're well executed or not, they're still good. Even if it's like the most god-awful thing in the world, it's better than a store-bought costume. Because A, it's funny, and B, A for effort. Okay. So, yes. We're gonna need to form like a hunch. We're just gonna go for it. We're just gonna go right in there. So where do my arms go? About like right here. arm is like right here. I can feel you guys screaming through the screen at my recklessness. The only thing that's scary about my costume is my lack of regard for my own safety around sharp objects. Kind of the fun thing about how I do Halloween is I wear my costume while I'm making my recipe. And so you get to watch the creation of the food along with the demise of my costume because it's not well made. The craftsmanship is just not there. We try our hardest. Okay, I don't know really what we're doing here. We need scissors. Oh, Jesus. Cut a vibe. Okay, we're gonna kind of weasel our way out of this. You got this, girl. This is a reenactment of me in every dressing room ever, trying to try on things that just will not fit my body, which is most things. Ow, mother. That obviously looks like garbage, but for our purposes, I think it will be fine. I'm just gonna let you know I'm gonna look more and more disheveled as the video goes on. I am gonna mess with these plates and then I'll come back, because this is already like 20 minutes of footage of me just trying to wrap foam around my head. Why am I single? Okay, here we are, morning of day 2. That's the suit. It looks really crusty, but hopefully it looks better on. The head turned out like actually really good. Like I am super impressed with my hair tuft, honestly. Like queen. I'm really pretty nervous that this face makeup is going to make me break out like a mofo, as if I'm not already constantly broke out like a mofo. But you know, we suffer for our art. By now, I think you guys already probably know. I mean, the Monsters Inc. clipboard is definitely a dead giveaway, and I didn't do too bad on that logo for freehanding it, so proud of myself there. But I'm gonna be Roz from Monsters Inc., the absolute icon that she is. You're probably not supposed to get this too close to your eye, but obviously, like, don't do what I do. My mom, when I was growing up, for like a short stint of time, she was a rent-a-clown. So she had like the whole clown suit, but she also did like face painting, balloon animals, all that stuff. And I would constantly get into her stuff because I was me. And so I kind of like learned face painting and I learned how to do balloon animals. And so like I was raised by clowns. Okay, let's get into the whole ensemble. This is horrific. Okay, we're gonna use some spirit gum to attach our glasses to our face. What could possibly go wrong? I didn't read the directions on this. Spirit gum is flammable. Do not use near heat. Avoid contact with eyes. Do not use on sensitive or broken skin. My skin is sensitive as hell. Well, it's already on. Yeah, buddy. Rolling like a big shot. Okay, if I just don't emote, then it will stay. Okay, outfit reveal. Let's do it, girl. I'm watching you, Mazowski. Always watching.
What am I doing? What is it? Are you scared? Are you scared of whatever this is? Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't you dare. Ah!
Sorry. Sorry, I know I'm stinky. Sorry.
Sorry. Don't be scared. Do not be frightened.
Always watching. God, that's annoying. Sorry. I meant to put the pool noodle thing in the back, but somehow it ended up like wonky. Can't imagine why, but I don't know. It feels like okay. So this, what we're getting. Halloween 2021. Get it, girl. Get it, girl. Okay, bestie, we're gonna be making some pumpkin pad thai. I'm gonna go ahead and link this recipe in the description of this video in case you guys are curious and you wanna try it out for yourself. But it looks fairly simple, straightforward. We are gonna have to cook and use the stove, which out of costume, I was like, that'll be no big deal, that's fine. But now when I'm in this monstrosity, I just had an immediate vision of Midsummer when that girl like left her boyfriend in that barn that was on fire in a bear suit and he was just completely engulfed in flames. So we're gonna have to be careful, cautious, and not let that be our fate, because I'm pretty sure that this foam stuff is very flammable. So let's get cracking. I don't know why that's so funny to me. So let's get cracking. Look at it go. I did such a good job on this tuft. I feel like you need to appreciate the tuft. Like, this is exactly her hair. Yarn and spray adhesive. Rachel Maksy, eat your heart out. God, her stuff is so good. If you guys aren't following her channel, I'll link that in the description as well. Love it. All year round, but especially Halloween, that's her time to shine. Got a vibe. Do you ever just have an overwhelming feeling of hatred for yourself? Same. Okay, our chicken's going. We're getting our garnishes ironed out. I got some green onions, some cilantro. Oh my God, it's so hot in this suit. I feel like I'm gonna barf. Ooh. Okay, we burnt our chicken a little bit, but we're just gonna roll with it. Yes, cabbage. Okay, let's clean our area and let's reset to make the sauce. It actually looks really good. We're gonna go ahead and try this in costume first bite and then obviously get out of this thing because I cannot stand to be in it anymore. Try the noodle by itself. It's really good. You don't really taste the pumpkin too much. You just taste the sweetness and then the spiciness from the chili oil. Whew, that's spicy. Let me get out of this. Let me get out of this to properly enjoy everything. Okay, I scrubbed off all of that makeup. I honestly need to just take a full-blown bath because I was so sweaty underneath that costume, but we're gonna eat first. This is so good. I highly recommend making it. It was so easy to make too. If I didn't have the extra obstacle of literally being in a tent, this would be done in maybe like 15 minutes. And it kind of tastes better cold. But I'm definitely one of those people that likes cold leftovers, like cold pizza and stuff. It just makes it taste more flavorful. I don't know. I don't know if that's just a me thing or what. These videos are honestly so fun to make. I just wish I had more time before Halloween. I'm gonna start my costume next year earlier. I already know what I want to be if I lose weight. It's kind of dependent on if I lose weight. I guess not really, but kind of. I don't know. It's not one of those things like, oh, I need to be skinny to wear this. It's not like that at all. You're just gonna have to wait till next year to find out if I could pull it off. But anyways, I really enjoyed making this video and I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. I hope you guys have a fun and safe Halloween and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!